What's up, everybody? We got the Mountaineer hooked up to the trailer, the Moto 4 on the trailer. Let's ride. What's up, guys? We made it. I have no idea if you're going to be able to hear anything, but I'm going to try. We're just going to rip the Moto 4, see how it runs today. Try not to get ran over by one of these side-by-sides. That is the goal. I think the Moto 4 will do just fine keeping up with these big dogs. Explore the water a little bit. It's cold out, so I definitely don't want to get wet. In there, boys! Woo! Oh! Oh, yeah! This thing's basically a boat! Woo! Got it airborne! Oh, that ain't good. Oh, man. Oh, heck yeah, this thing does not get stuck. What's up, bud? This thing goes up on two wheels so easily. Really the only trick I know, so that's what I tend to do all the time. We can jump it. Coming out the big rock.